Neurological problems are extremely common around the world, and there are many different factors that can affect the health of our nerves. Today, my goal is to share clear, practical information about nutritional supplements and herbs that may help support nerve repair and improve the symptoms you may be experiencing. Welcome, friends, to your channel, Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. All this information is science-backed, and research references are provided in the description below. There are many possible causes of nerve pain. Diabetes is one of the most common. Physical trauma or injury can damage nerves. Certain medications may cause nerve-related side effects. Toxins, including alcohol, can injure nerve tissue. Conditions such as Lyme disease and fibromyalgia are also linked to nerve pain. Vitamin B deficiencies play a significant role, and autoimmune disorders can attack the nerves as well. Regardless of the cause, once nerve damage occurs, the symptoms can be frustrating and painful. The good news is that there are ways to support recovery and help you start feeling better. Many nerves in your body are covered by something called a myelin sheath. Myelin is a fatty, white protective substance that wraps around the ends of nerve cells. It acts as an electrical insulator, allowing nerve signals to travel quickly and efficiently. Because of this insulation, the brain can send impulses at very high speeds throughout the body, allowing muscles, organs, and systems to function properly. When the myelin sheath is healthy, communication between the brain and body is smooth and effective. However, when the myelin sheath becomes damaged, that is when many neuropathy conditions begin to appear. Elevated blood glucose levels, especially in people with diabetes, are a major cause of myelin damage. High blood sugar can interfere with nerve function and lead to symptoms such as pain, itching, numbness, tingling, burning sensations, and sharp stabbing discomfort. All of these symptoms are commonly associated with nerve involvement. Curcumin, the active compound found in the spice turmeric, has been widely studied for its antioxidant, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric helps protect the body against free radical damage and may help relieve symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, particularly in the hands and feet. It has also been studied for its potential role in supporting diabetes management, cardiovascular health, and even osteoarthritis. For better absorption, turmeric should be taken with black pepper, which contains a compound called piperine. Piperine significantly enhances curcumin absorption in the body. Cooking turmeric over low heat or consuming it with healthy fats can also improve its bioavailability. Research suggests that doses ranging from 500 to 1,500 milligrams per day may provide potential benefits. B vitamins are essential for supporting the healthy function of your central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord. Vitamin B6 plays an important role in maintaining the protective covering of nerve endings. It is often recommended for individuals with carpal tunnel syndrome, as swelling around the wrist may sometimes be linked to inadequate B6 levels. Vitamin B12 deficiency is strongly associated with nerve-related symptoms, including twitching, pain, numbness, tingling, muscle cramps, and burning sensations. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, helps reduce anxiety and calms nerve-related irritation. Vitamin B3 supports the production of important brain chemicals and has a calming effect on the nervous system. Taking a high-quality B-complex supplement can help ensure you are getting adequate amounts of these essential nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are well known for their protective effects on nerve tissue. Omega-3 helps protect nerves from injury and may support nerve regeneration. When nerves are damaged due to injury or trauma, symptoms such as pain, weakness, and even muscle paralysis can occur. Omega-3 fatty acids may help slow the progression of peripheral neuropathy and stimulate the growth of neurons. Recommended dosages typically range from 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily. Vitamin D plays multiple important roles in the body. It promotes strong bones and supports the immune system, brain health, and nervous system function. It helps regulate insulin levels and supports blood sugar control, which is particularly important for individuals with diabetes. Vitamin D also supports lung function and cardiovascular health while strengthening immune defenses. In addition, it helps reduce inflammatory damage and plays a role in regulating the maturation of cells responsible for producing myelin, known as oligodendrocytes. General recommendations range from 1,000 to 2,000 international units daily, although in clinical experience, some individuals may require up to 5,000 international units per day under medical supervision. Apple cider vinegar is often recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties. It may help combat inflammation associated with nerve discomfort. It also supports the body's natural detoxification processes by assisting liver function and helping eliminate metabolic waste. Additionally, apple cider vinegar may help regulate blood sugar levels. Taking 1 tablespoon diluted in a glass of water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach is a common approach. Adding fresh lemon juice is optional and may provide additional anti-inflammatory and detoxifying support. Alpha-lipoic acid is a naturally occurring compound that functions as a powerful antioxidant. It is produced within the mitochondria of our cells and is also available in certain foods and supplements. Research has shown that alpha-lipoic acid may help reduce insulin resistance, improve blood sugar control, ease symptoms of nerve damage, and lower the risk of diabetic neuropathy and retinopathy. Typical dosages range from 600 to 1,800 milligrams per day. Magnesium has long been known for helping relieve muscle pain and tension, but growing evidence suggests it may also benefit nerve pain. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of metabolic reactions in the body. It supports individuals with type 2 diabetes, helps lower blood pressure, provides anti-inflammatory benefits, and reduces insulin resistance. Magnesium relaxes muscles, reduces twitching, and promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. Common dosages range between 300 and 600 milligrams daily. I hope this information serves as a valuable resource for you. When used appropriately and combined with a healthy lifestyle, these nutrients may provide meaningful support for nerve health. I am confident that many of you can experience positive changes. Please subscribe and share this information with your friends and family who may benefit. Leave your comments below, as there will certainly be many questions and experiences to share. Most importantly, take charge of your health and make today a great day.